there's quite a lot of pieces. I think I have this sorted out. The drive shaft tunnel. I don't know about this piece here, but well, these are the inside of the sills towards the front. These are the sides of the gearbox tunnel. I don't know about this strange piece here. And these are, of course, it's quite a puzzle. But I'm sure it's going to be fine. So now I'm going to start removing the old carpentry, taking out the back seat. So bear with me. Lower part of the back seat over the tunnel for the drive shaft. And this is the new carpentry. Looks nice, I think. I mean, you have to consider this is a loop pile, and this is the velvety kind of carpet, so it's not going to be exactly like original, but I think for sure it will look a lot nicer. Might be needed a good quality scissors, industrial grade cutter, maybe one of those, spray adhesive, just a cheap variant. This is the, I would prefer the 3M, it's the best. And this is a glue, it's a contact glue, as you can see in Swedish, contact lim. So you apply that on both sides, let it dry for about 10-15 minutes, and then apply. Upon applying, if the floor mat is a little bit tricky, you could always heat it with a heating gun, and maybe apply some spray on some water. Just use a regular spray bottle or something. The water and the heat gun will make it more pliable. That's the tools I'm going to be needing. Maybe there will be something more, but to start with, that's what I'm going to use. Now I've removed the shelf here in the rear. Not that good looking now, but this piece of cardboard or whatever it is, it has been tampered with before. Someone put some speakers in and replaced it and repaired it afterwards. I'm gonna put this piece on top of it. So let's see how that goes. Just some cleaning. There's going to be a wrap around here on the back, so maybe a little bit of cleaning there also. I'm not going to remove this old piece of vinyl. I think it's better if it's still there. It's quite an ugly piece.